a great affection for the Indian culture and music too. Therefore, we are going to represent the Indian culture with the musical instrument, magical movements and mesmerizing performances. Shubham Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampada Shatru Buddhi Vinasha Deepam Jyoti Namastute. With the lighting of this lamp, darkness is replaced by light, ignorance by knowledge, and sorrow by happiness. Yes, light is the symbol of auspiciousness, prosperity, and abundance in our Indian culture. This is a symbolic movement that signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting of thoughts and enlightenment. I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Jain Gagani, along with Neeraj Rai, Captain M.P. Pathak, and Jitin Nalwadi, and the glory of our GIS Honorable Mr. Bandhu Khanve sir, the Chairman of our school, Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Vikas Chaudhary, Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Aarti Sharma, and all the respected dignitaries on the dais to illuminate the lamp and worshipping Goddess Saraswati. Please sir, please ma'am. I also welcome our guest, Major Subedar and Lakshman Take sir. Welcome to our much awaited school annual function, where we celebrate the richness and diversity of Indian culture. Tonight, we embark on a journey that will take us through a vibrant tradition, ancient wisdom, and artistic expression that makes India a truly a unique country. India has a rich tapestry of diverse culture, languages, and religions. It is a land of unity of diversity, where different art, culture, custom, and tradition coexist harmoniously. Our annual function aims to showcase and celebrate the beautiful tapestry. India can be also defined as kaleidoscope of languages. Just imagine a land where over 120 languages paint the air with the unique melodies and each narrating its own stories. From the swaying Sanskrit, the language of ancient wisdom, the rhythmic Hindi, the language of masses, India is a symphony of diverse tongue. Fellow audience, today we stand not just as spectators, but as a participant in this cultural celebration. We are the bridge between the generation, the inheritors of this rich heritage. Let us commence this journey with an open heart and curious mind and be ready to embrace the beauty and diversity of Indian culture. आपके आने से समारोह में 4 चांद लग गए. आपके आने से समारोह में 4 चांद लग गए. गुमसुम थे सारे सितारे, चांद आया तो सारे जगमगा गए. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are privileged to have our esteemed, discerning and prestigious personality, Honorable Mr. Jayan Gagne as a chief guest. Now I would like to request our Honorable Mr. Bandhu Khanvi sir, the chairman of the school, to felicitate our Honorable chief guest with a bouquet and a shawl. I would also like to request our honorable guest, Mr. Nair sir, to be on the stage. And again, I would like to request our Bandhu Khanvi sir to felicitate him. Thank you, sir. Please, sir. An ingenious, glamorous, versatile and appealing, very charming personality who always stand with us as a shadow and always guide us. That person is none other than our esteemed chairman sir, Honorable Mr. Bandhu Khanvi sir. I would request our Honorable Principal sir, Mr. Vikas Chaudhary, to felicitate our founder and the chairman of Jagadguru International School. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Mr. Vikas Chaudhary, sir, Principal of Jagadguru International School, the sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar and a navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to present the preamble of school, the achievements that is the school enlightenment. We are eagerly waiting to listen your inspirational words, sir. Please, sir. May I have a big round of applause for our principal of Jagadguru International School.
Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Founder, Chairman and Managing Director, Honorable Invited Guest, Members of Board of Management, parents, citizens, reporters and native of Pune city. Good evening to one and all. Today we have gathered here for second annual day function of Jagadguru International School 2023-24. I am filled with immense pride and joy to witness the culmination of another year of learning, growth and achievements. The greatest achievement for Jagadguru International School is that it has been affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is known as CBSE, in this year only. It wasn't as easy as we think, and this is made possible because of the one person who has taken all initiative from a sapling till today. He is none other than Honorable Mr. Bandhu Khanvi sir, the Chairman of Jagadguru International School. I must say that Jagadguru International School started in April 2020, especially which was online mode, and the school has started physically from 2022-23 onwards. And it is very proud to tell you that the school has crossed 1,000 admission in last 3 years, and that is a wonderful phenomenal for JIS. And the admission for 2024-25 are almost closed. That is the efforts, support, cooperation from the parents, from the management, from the teachers, students, and everyone who is directly, indirectly involved to bringing this a phenomenal success of JIS, and we have created a milestone for JIS. We always write the history, but I'm damn sure I just love to write and create the history. And therefore, this is the great achievement in the last 3 years. This past year has been marked by excellence in various fields. Our students have consistently delivered outstanding results in academics, sports, co-curricular activities. They have participated in numerous competitions and brought laurels to the school. Their dedication, perseverance, and willingness to learn have been truly inspiring for us. Our commitment extends academics and beyond academics. We believe in the holistic development, nurturing our students' talents, and fostering their creativity. We provide a wide range of co-curricular activities, including sports, dance, drama, and art. These activities help our students to develop the life skills such as teamwork, leadership, and of course the communication skill which is required in 21st century. Now in terms of sports, we already done. Jagadguru International School has participated in all kind of sports activities which was related to the state government and the Jilla Parishad, even the federation group, and that is a big achievement. Our sports teams have been won several championships, including district levels. Especially the ropes skipping competition was organized by Pune district, and is very glad to tell you that Jagadguru International School Pune has won 54 gold medals with district level trophy and the title, and this is possible along with the bronze and the silver medals, and it is possible with the help of the students. Yes, really. There's one more student from our school, Tanmay Nagpure from class 3rd B, has won real Ganpati Bappa gold medal, gold belt and trophy in Karate Association of India and the matches held in Mumbai, as well as he has won the gold medal in Kanta Kumito fight held at Pune. The great news is that Tanmay Nagpure has been given the title Champions of Champion. He is a class 3rd child and he has been given the title Champions of Champion by the Battle of Warriors from Pune Federation. He has got 8 gold medals in this year only, and we have participated in Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, rope skipping, athletics, football, relay race, taekwondo, karate, skating, badminton, and the list is unending. Our students have already showcased their talents in various cultural events, including the annual drama, production, and the inter-school dance competition. I'd like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to our dedicated teachers who have been the guiding force of our student success. Their commitment, their expertise, and the passion for teaching have made a profound impact on the lives of the students. We are also deeply grateful to our supportive parents who have partnered with us in this journey of learning and the development. Without you, it would not be possible. Their encouragement, understanding, and unwavering trust in our school have been instrumental in shaping our students into well-round developments or all-round developments. In a nutshell, honorable management and the school management committee being the backbone and the supporter to us in all aspects. Therefore, we are growing faster. Thank you so the entire SMC of JS. As we look ahead to the future, we are excited about the opportunities that lie ahead. We are committed to providing our students with the best possible of the world with the values of 21st century at the standard level. We will continue to invest in technology, infrastructure, teachers training, and we will also strive to create a more inclusive and the diverse learning environment that welcomes students from the all backgrounds. Today is a day to celebrate learning, achievements, and talent. It is a day to appreciate the hard work and the dedication of everyone who has contributed to the success of our school. So let's enjoy the performances that our students have prepared for us. So let's inspire by the creativity and talent, and wait, there are much more things yet to come. This is just a beginning, and I'm damn sure I'll create the history, but I need your support. Thank you so much. Good evening and Happy New Year in advance, because I'll not get a chance to come on the stage again. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I have a huge round of applause for our principal, sir. It is our pleasure and the institution grateful to have such a genius persona with us. I would like to request our Honorable Mr. Bandhu Kanvi sir on the dais to inspire us with his charming words. Please, sir.
गुड इव्हनिंग एव्हरीवन. मी आवर्जून आज मराठीत बोलणार आहे, बिकॉज आज एकादशी आहे आणि जगद्गुरू संत तुकाराम महाराजांच्या नावाने आपण जगद्गुरू इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल चालू केलेली आहे. यदा कदाचित एकादशी आणि आपलं ॲन्युअल फंक्शन असा दुर्मिळ योग आज आलेला आहे. आजच्या ॲन्युअल फंक्शनच्या निमित्ताने राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री आदरणीय एकनाथजी शिंदे यांचे स्वीय सहाय्यक म्हणजे PA आदरणीय गणगे सर आवर्जून ॲज अ चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून उपस्थित राहिलेत. त्यांना आज संध्याकाळी पुन्हा एकदा CM सरांबरोबर काही महत्त्वाची कामं होती म्हणून आवर्जून अर्जंट जावं लागलं. त्याबद्दल सर्वप्रथम मी आपली दिलगिरी व्यक्त करतो. कार्यक्रमाच्या निमित्ताने आज बहुसंख्य पॅरेंट्स या ठिकाणी उपस्थित राहिलेले आहेत आणि काही पॅरेंट्सला अजूनही बसायला जागा मिळालेली नाही, त्याबद्दल देखील मी दिलगिरी व्यक्त करतो. अतिशय चांगला प्रतिसाद पॅरेंट्सनी आजच्या ॲन्युअल फंक्शनला दिलेला आहे. त्याबद्दल सर्वप्रथम तुमचे मनापासून या ठिकाणी धन्यवाद व्यक्त करतो. आल्याबद्दल तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी वेलकमही बोलतो. जगद्गुरू संत तुकाराम महाराजांच्या या पदस्पर्शाने पावन झालेल्या भूमीमध्ये माझे आजोबा वैकुंठवासी गुलाबराव ईश्वरा खांदवे यांच्या स्मृतीप्रित्यर्थ ही स्कूल आपण चालू करू शकलो आणि एहुलीचा वेलू लावला त्याचा वेलू गेला गगनावरी. नक्कीच जगद्गुरू इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल ज्यावेळेस आपण सुरू केली फक्त 72 स्टुडंट्स फर्स्ट इयरला होते आणि आज मला अभिमानाने सांगावंसं वाटतंय की 24-25 साठी आपल्याकडे ॲडमिशन द्यायला सीट्स नाही आहेत. ही जर अचिव्हमेंट कुणाची असेल तर फक्त आणि फक्त माझ्या सर्व टीचर्सची आहेत. आमचे प्रिन्सिपल सर विकास सर असेल, व्हाईस प्रिन्सिपल आरती मॅम असेल, यांनी जी केलेली मेहनत आहे त्या मेहनतीचे हे फळ आहे. आणि आज मला सांगायला अतिशय आनंद होतोय, नायर सर विदिन 4 ईयर CBSE का एप्लीकेशन मिलने वाली पहली लोहगांव की स्कूल है अपनी. लोहगावमध्ये 10 वर्ष चालू झालेल्या स्कूलला देखील एप्लिकेशन आलेलं नाहीये, परंतु आज आपल्या जगद्गुरू इंटरनॅशनल स्कूलला एप्लिकेशन आलेलं आहे. त्यामुळे आणि ॲप्लिकेशन येण्याचा एक प्रसंग सांगतो सर. आज माझ्या टीचरचे अनेक हजबंड्स लोक या ठिकाणी उपस्थित राहिले, मला त्यांना विशेष धन्यवाद द्यायचे. ॲप्लिकेशनच्या पिरियडमध्ये सर आम्ही रात्री 2-2 वाजता स्कूलमध्ये थांबलो. माझ्या सर्व लेडीज टीचर स्टाफ रात्री 2 वाजता ह्या शाळेमध्ये थांबून कामं करून घेत होत्या आणि त्यांच्यावरती विश्वास त्यांच्या फॅमिलीने दाखवलेला होता, त्यांच्या हजबंड्सनी दाखवला होता. पुन्हा एकदा मला त्यांना त्रिवार अभिवादन करायचे. तुम्ही लेडीज टीचरसाठी, लेडीज स्टाफसाठी जो सपोर्ट केला आणि रात्रीच्या 2-2 वाजेपर्यंत आम्ही या ठिकाणी कामं करू शकलो आणि तुमच्या सपोर्टमुळे आज ॲप्लिकेशन अपन कंप्लीट करू शकतो. शैलेश सर, मैं आपको वेरी थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ. आरती मैडम को आपने 2-2 बजे तक यहाँ पे रुकने के लिए अलाउड किया था सर. अनलेस एंड अंटिल ये एप्लीकेशन पॉसिबल नहीं था सर. फिर से एक बार सभी मेरे लेडी टीचर्स के सभी फैमिली मेंबर्स को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ. आपके सपोर्ट के बिना ये काम हो नहीं सकता और आगे आने कालखंड में भी आपका सपोर्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है. निश्चित सांगायला अभिमान वाटतोय की आज ज्यांच्या माध्यमातून ही शाळा चालू करू शकलो, माझ्या घरच्यांचे मला आशीर्वाद तर आहेच, परंतु आज माझे चुलते या ठिकाणी उपस्थित आहेत. मला अभिमान वाटतो, ज्या शेतामध्ये त्या शेतीत काम केलं, त्या शेतीची काळी आईची सेवा केली आणि त्या काळी आईच्या सेवेमध्ये आज जगद्गुरू इंटरनॅशनल सारखी शाळा उभी राहते आणि त्या शाळेच्या माध्यमातून समाजामध्ये समाजाचं काहीतरी देणं लागतो. त्याची उपरती म्हणून आपण आज या अतिशय चांगल्या शाळेमध्ये येण्याचा किंवा शाळा या परिसरामध्ये नाव लवकर येते. नक्कीच सर्व पॅरेंट्सचे त्या ठिकाणी अतिशय चांगला सपोर्ट आहे. येणाऱ्या काळामध्ये देखील आपण अतिशय चांगल्या प्रकारे काम नक्कीच करणार आहोत. अजूनही पॅरेंट्स लोकांचा मला सपोर्ट नक्कीच पाहिजे. सर्व पॅरेंट्सना या ठिकाणी एक नम्र विनंती करूशी वाटते, तुम्हाला जशी चांगली शाळा हवी असते ना, तसेच आम्हाला चांगले स्टुडंटही हवे असतात. बऱ्याचदा ॲडमिशन प्रोसिजरमध्ये आम्ही एंट्रन्स टेस्ट घेत असतो आणि काही एलिजिबल कॅटेगरीज लावलेल्या असतात. त्या कॅटेगरीमध्ये जर तो मुलगा किंवा मुलगी जर आले नाहीत किंवा तेवढी अचिव्हमेंट त्याच्याकडनं झाली नाही तर त्यावेळेस त्याला ॲडमिशन देता येत नाही आणि ॲडमिशन न दिल्यामुळे यथाकथित काही पॅरेंट्स आमच्यावरती नाराज होतात. परंतु मला सर्वांना एक विनंती करायची, ज्या अर्थी तुम्हालाही चांगली शाळा हवी असेल ना, तर आम्हालाही चांगले स्टुडंट्स हवेत आणि चांगले स्टुडंट्स घडवायचं काम तुमचं आणि आमचं आहे आणि आपण एकत्र मिळून काम करूया. भविष्याच्या काळामध्ये जगद्गुरू इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल आपल्या परिसरामध्ये एक नावाजलेली स्कूल होईल. ही फक्त आणि फक्त तुमच्या सपोर्टमुळेच होईल असा विश्वास या ठिकाणी वाटतो. आणि सर्वांना एकदा मला वाटतं अजून बोलण्यापेक्षा सर्वांना कार्यक्रमाची उत्सुकता लागलेली आहे, त्यामुळे अधिक उत्सुकता ताणून न धरता सर्वांना या ठिकाणी नवीन वर्षाच्या मनापासून शुभेच्छा देतो. परवा क्रिसमस आहे, क्रिसमसची सुट्टी आहे, यादाकरची तुमची माझी भेट होणार नाहीये, परंतु तुम्हाला क्रिसमसच्या देखील शुभेच्छा देतो आणि या ठिकाणी थांबतो. धन्यवाद.
May I have a big round of applause for our chairman, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request our esteemed guest, Naya sir, to please be on the dais and inspire us with his words. Thank you, sir.
Respected Bandhu Saji Khandwe sir, I know nobody wants to listen to me right now because all of you are waiting for the scintillating performance of the students. So I will not take much of a time. See, I'll just say 2-3 important things. To quote Swami Vivekananda, education is the manifestation of perfection already in man. Now the perfection is already there in the child. Now it's very important for the teacher and the parent in a collaborative manner to bring out the perfection and chisel out the qualities in the student and make them successful in life. It is very important. I am a psychotherapist and counselor also, but I am repeating, I will not take much of a time because you are all waiting for the performance. See, the early years are very important for a particular child. The core values that you develop as a parent at home and the teacher in the school, that goes a long way in defining the personality of the student when they grow up in life. So, be careful what you talk at home, how do you talk at home with your children, because children are in the school for 6-7 hours. Rest of the time they are at home only. So parents also have an important role. Now without stretching further, I would again show my respect to Bandhuji Khandweji. I have been into education domain for 28 years. I have seen many owners of school. But whenever I have spoken to him, that kind of passion that he has shown for education is really exemplary. He cares for education. He cares for value education that needs to be given to the children. And lastly, there is a saying, as is the principal, so is the school. So you have the Dr. Chaudhary as a right person who is heading the school. He is an immensely intellectual person. I have interacted with him in different seminars. The kind of vision that he has for the school is really appreciable. And I am sure with the guidance of Bandhu Saji Khanve sir and the active involvement of Chaudhary sir, the school will blossom, and along with the school, your children will be blossoming and will make an all-round personality, not only in the domain of academics, but in life itself. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you, and wish them all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspirational word. May I have a huge round of applause for our chief guest?